When I tell you this install is completely glueless, I'm not lying. I didn't even use any spray today. I did go in with a little bit of mousse and it literally has this lace molded down to my head. But as you can see, it's not sticking. Like, this is completely glueless. So if you're one of those girlies who don't like to use glue, spray, or anything, let's get into this install.
She wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby. Let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up.
This 7x5" BlendAway lace wig from Nadula Hair is so stunning. You definitely need it in your life, y'all. Do you see this lace? It's literally blended, but it's completely glueless. Usually I have to do a spray down to get it this melted, but this is giving scalp, y'all. Water wave is one of my favorite textures because you get the best of both worlds. It's not straight, you're still getting some waves, but it's not curly either. So it's right in between, and I love the way that it looks. It always gives that wet and wavy vibe, like I'm ready to go on vacation and lay out on the beach somewhere. And you do not have to wet down your water wave hair. You can use a little bit of mousse because I know during the winter time you don't want to run out the door with wet hair, so the mousse is going to dry really fast and it's going to leave your hair nice and defined like this. When I tell y'all this is my most melted glueless lace wig install, yes ma'am, because we didn't use no spray, no glue, no tape, nada. So let's get into it. install turned out so freaking cute, y'all. You definitely want to check out this wig and save some coin this Cyber Monday. I'm going to leave a link down below in the description box to check out this wig on Nadula Hair's website. If you're interested, definitely check that out before the sale ends. In the comments down below, let me know if you would rock this wig. Like, I literally feel like this wig is so melted for a glueless install. Usually the lace is still visible on a glueless install. I literally have to do a full meltdown with a spray to get it the way I like it, but I'm ready to run out the house just like this, baby, okay? And I'm feeling nice and secure. This wig is snug on my head. She not moving, okay? If you haven't already checked out my latest video, you definitely want to go check that out next. It's a makeup tutorial and I did a flawless beat just like this one, so go check that out next.